So let's bring it to the topic at hand, right? About emerging markets. So seemingly, the U.S. has opened up a pretty huge gap, right, in AI. So with that in mind, let's talk about how would you characterize sort of AI adoption, development in the developed world versus what you're seeing in emerging markets now?
You want to go first this time?
I think so. There's two ways you can think about problem. One is how can you leverage AI techniques to benefit your own sort of market or application? And I think there's a lot of possibilities because what AI is letting you do is learn from a global pool of knowledge and then apply it specifically to your domains. And parts of what's happening, what I'm seeing in other markets, not just here, is the really smart companies that have very specific data where they're market leaders. So I just saw like this announcement that Aramco is now creating this massive LLM. They have years of rich history and data about oil and gas and exploration and mining and optimizing these processes that are fundamental and probably can actually be leveraged across many other industries in manufacturing, construction, et cetera, because it is really basic infrastructure understanding.
Right.
And I think those types of insights then applied could unlock a lot more value, not just for themselves, but potentially for a global market as well. And there's other ways you can now take language learning models that were not designed in Arabic in mind. Maybe they were designed with English in mind, but it doesn't matter. The computer doesn't actually care about the syntax of any language, right? But what will take it is it'll actually let the Arabic population apply those insights to their specific culture in the way they communicate. And they will infer different knowledge and different semantics. So I do think every emerging market can apply global knowledge with local data.